it's Gina with WTI. If you're interested in getting a composting toilet, then I'm going to break it all down for you and start with what you want to know first. We have the Cuddy from Compo Closet, and it truly does not have odor. If you've ever had like a black water tank that you've had to deal with or other composting toilets, you might be worried about that, but you do not have to with this little toilet. It is completely self-contained, waterless, and off-grid. There's a urine diverter and the liquids go into a container. For demonstration purposes, I have to show you water because I can't show me peeing. Once the urine container is full, the red light comes on and lets you know it's time to dump. Now let's talk about the dump area. Again, I can't show me using that, but yes, I have. You may need to position yourself a little bit differently than you would on a regular toilet. And I'm demonstrating for you here. For the urine diverter, this is where I go, and then for the dump area, this is where I go. So to begin with, I used about 1 inch of coconut fiber as recommended by the manufacturer, and then after you go, I sprinkle a little bit more on top, and then I use the agitator to spin right and left. This has not clogged, and I throw the toilet paper into the garbage. Now let's talk about the fan. If you have this outside, you don't actually have to use it, but inside I would definitely recommend it. So instead of hardwiring out in our warehouse because we have limited electricity option, we used a 12-volt adapter cord that we could plug into the wall. And again, there's no odor with this. In fact, it even comes with a carbon filter, and that's super easy to install also. This toilet makes it so easy to have bathroom facilities, whether that's in an off-grid situation or in an RV, van, whatever you want to use it in. You are not going to be disappointed by this. We are completely blown away by its functionality and just how amazing it is. And that's our point of view.